Top 10 Home Remedies for Cough. Coughing is one of the most well-known medical issues. At the point when there is a blockage or aggravation in your throat or upper air entries, your mind thinks a remote component is available and advises your body to cough to expel that component. Coughing can likewise be because of viral contamination, common cold, influenza, and smoking or medical issues, for example, asthma, tuberculosis, and lung malignancy. A portion of the side effects of a cough is bothersome throat, chest pain, and blockage. Rather than utilizing over-the-counter cough syrups, you can try some natural cough medications utilizing promptly accessible in your kitchen. Here are the 10 best home remedies for a cough. 1. Ginger. Ginger is one of the most well-known characteristic remedies for a cough. Cut new ginger into little cuts and smash them slightly. Place them in some water and heat to the point of boiling. Drink this herbal solution 3 to 4 times each day for help from a sore throat, constant coughing and even blockage. You can likewise some lemon juice and honey to it. Another alternative is to bite crisp raw ginger on and off for the duration of the day to decrease your cough. 2. Turmeric. The herb turmeric therapeutically affects coughs, especially dry cough. Warmth a large portion of some water in a boiling pot. Include 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. You may likewise include cinnamon sticks. Heat up this for around a few minutes. Include 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this daily until the condition improves. On the other hand, make a herbal tea by including 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds to some water, and boil it until water decreases to 1/2 cup. Include some honey and drink this herbal solution a few times each day. Another approach to utilize turmeric is to roast turmeric root and crush it into a smooth powder. Blend it with water and honey, and drink it 2 times every day. 3. Garlic. Garlic has both antibacterial and antimicrobial segments that help treat coughs. Boil a few cloves of garlic in a cup of water and include a teaspoon of oregano. Enable it to cool to room temperature, include some honey and drink it. This will help your breathing and mitigate other cough side effects. Eat a clove of squashed garlic blended with a couple of drops of clove oil and some honey for sore throat alleviation. You can likewise utilize garlic in your cooking. 4. Onion. One of the least difficult home remedies for a cough is to cut onions. Taking in the solid vapors can help quit coughing. You can likewise make a cough syrup from heated onion juice, comfrey tea, and honey. Drink it daily to get help from a dry cough. Another choice is to combine 1/2 teaspoon of onion juice with 1 teaspoon of honey. Swallow this solution in any event 2 times every day to mitigate a cough and alleviate your throat. 5. Lemon. Lemons can be utilized in an assortment of ways for relieving coughs. Lemons have properties that diminish aggravation and furthermore give a portion of contamination battling vitamin C. A basic cough syrup can be made by joining 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this healthy syrup a few times each day. Another approach to utilize lemons is to mix lemon juice with honey and a pinch of cayenne pepper and afterward drink it. 6. Almonds. Almonds have dietary properties that assume a proactive job in mending cough side effects. Drench 5 to 6 almonds in water for 8 to 10 hours. Make a smooth paste out of the drenched almonds and include 1 teaspoon of butter. Eat it 3 to 4 times each day until your manifestations leave. 7. Cayenne. Cayenne decreases chest pain because of non-stop coughing. It is additionally warming and stimulating. Make a cough syrup by blending 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon apple juice vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water. Drink the syrup 3 times each day. 8. Hot milk with honey. Hot milk with honey can mitigate a dry cough and lessen chest pain you might involvement from persistent coughing. For best outcomes, drink it before resting. For included advantages from the pain-relieving properties of honey, swallow a teaspoon of plain honey on empty stomach. This will help clear the mucus and mitigate your throat. 9. Carrot juice. Carrots have numerous nutrients and supplements that can help calm different indications of a cough. Make fresh juice from 4 to 5 carrots and pour some water to dilute it. For taste and included benefits, include 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink the juice 3 to 4 times each day until your manifestations improve. 10. Grapes. Grapes have properties that go about as an expectorant, discharging the bodily fluid from the influenced pieces of your respiratory system. The quicker you dispose of the mucus, the quicker your coughing will end. You can essentially eat grapes or make some grape juice. Grape juice with a spoonful of honey will alleviate just as compelling. These home remedies can give you help from the different symptoms of a cough without the side effects that accompany pills and cough syrups. In any case, if you have ceaseless coughing for over about 14 days, consult your primary care physician. This video is brought to you by organic-potion.com. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips, please follow or subscribe to Organic Potion.